This is amazing. This is exactly what like it was. Okay, we ate that. All right. Hey guys, it's Simon Do here, and today we'll be looking at a new model, the Qwen-2.5 Coder, the 32 billion model. This is a new model, and this apparently has won some of the benchmarks against Chat GPT4o. So what we will be doing is doing a comparison between the two. As you can see on the screen here, these are some of the benchmarks at where it actually performed the best in. So in the purple, this is the model we are looking at, the Qwen 2.5. So you can actually see that it actually outperformed in a lot of the benchmarks, which is impressive. GPT4o actually has a few of the benchmarks under its name, which is also nice. So meaning that what we will be doing here is we will be seeing really which one is the best. Okay, so right here I'm having Hugging Chat. So this is made by Hugging Face, and they have the model right here. So what we will be beginning with is a simple thing. For the starters, what we will ask is how many letter R's are in the word strawberry. Okay, so it made the one small mistake here, and it said that there are only two. Okay, let us ask GPT-4. Okay, it said three. Okay, so long ago, if you knew this was where it would really make a mistake, but okay, so far GPT-4 is winning. Okay, let us now ask the next thing. This is a bit more advanced, so we'll ask it to make for us a snake game. Okay, make. Okay, let us see how it will make it, and then we will actually run it, and then we can do the comparison of the two. All right, so let us now run it and see what will happen. All right, let me run it. Okay, this is the moment of truth. Okay, so this is what we have actually. Okay, so what's happening? All right, it's actually working, guys. It's actually working. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, let's see. Okay, the snake is actually increasing, which is amazing. Let's see. Okay, now that will be a tricky one. Okay, end of the game. Let's see if we press C, if it will continue. Okay, so this is amazing. It actually made it and it worked. That's nice. So let us now look at what GPT-4 will make for us. Okay, so this is the code. What we have here at least is how to play. So we will be using W, A, S, and D. Okay, right here is the game, and let us begin the game now and see how it would work. Okay, we ate that. Okay, but it's not move. Okay, it's moving at least left and right, but it's having a problem. It's a bit laggy. Maybe the library it used wasn't really the best because it's using the turtle library, which I'm not sure why it would use that, but all right. Okay, we ate that. All right, let's get another one. Okay, good. All right, so it actually worked. It worked, guys. It worked, and it's amazing. It's amazing. Next up, what we will be asking is for a simple website. Let us see what it will think of and what it will make actually for us, guys. Okay, so what I asked here is make an amazing home page for a website, and let us see what it will like produce for us, and then we can like run it, and then we can do the comparison. I feel like this model is an amazing model, and it will actually like make like something nice. But I want to also look at the designs, like the UI. It's because like the logic, I'm sure they're all fine. But like UI wise, let's see which one like makes it look more nice. All right, so let us now run the website and see how it will look like. Okay, I'm using live server, which is an extension for my editor. All right, guys, this website is looking amazing. I like how like the navbar looks nice. It's really simple. Okay, fine. But an issue here, the wording here, the heading is in white, and also the background is a bit white. It's not so good, but okay, it's reasonable. It's reasonable. As you can see, it has also the other sections. This is fine for a simple website. All right, let's also see if it's responsive. Maybe it made it responsive for us. We never know, guys. We have also to test that. Okay, let's inspect element. All right, and press right there. But it looks responsive. Okay, we have an issue with our nav bar. Okay, that's fine. It's really expected. Is why we were looking for a simple website. So it makes a lot of sense. But the other thing, shrink or write, so it's not an issue. It's also responsive. The only thing was the nav. But now let's look at GPT-4o, what it will produce. Okay, so there is a code and let us run it now. Guys, GPT-4o actually made a nice website, like as in like I like how like the hero section and the navbar look, they look really amazing. I like the blue and the gradient it used, all right? But it's not as much as for the information on the page. Whereas when we look here, there's more information on the page. So it's a bit, we shouldn't really be fooled by how like blue it looks like, but they are neck and neck. They are neck and neck. I won't lie, they are neck and neck. If you would ask me which one I would select, I would say that here the hero section on GPT-4o's website looks amazing. The hero section and the navbar looks amazing. Whereas in the rest of the website isn't amazing. It's not having a feel to it, and it's not having a lot of information, and it's not also having inputs like the other website for the Qwen 2.5. These are the websites side to side, guys. Let me know which one you think looks more nicer. On our left here, we have for Qwen 2.5, and on our right here we're having GPT-4. Let me know which one you think looks the best. Okay, if you would ask me which one I'd like, to begin with as a website, I would say the one on the left. As for the hero section, it's obviously on the right. So I would say here it's 1-1. We can share the points. We are neck and neck. We are neck and neck. We are neck and neck. So for the next test, we'll be making game of life on both of these models. Make a game of life in Python. Alright, so this is what it produced for us, and let us run this now. Let us run it and see how it would look like, guys. Okay, game of life. Okay, this is amazing. This is amazing. This is exactly what like it was actually supposed to be. So this is great. Okay, usually there are other models that would like make also like green, reds, so that it can look, a bit more amazing. But this is nice in black and white. This is great. Okay, I like this. I like this. Let's see now what GPT-4o will actually do. Okay, guys, so there is our code from GPT-4o, and let us run it. Let us see what's happening. Okay, so it's right here. Okay, so first of all, we have to make cells, and then after that, we can actually begin the game. So whereas in the other model, it automatically simulated its own cells. Whereas here, I will make the cells and then right click to run. All right, and then we can actually run it by hitting spacebar. Okay. All right, so this one actually worked. Okay, and what I'll say is that the models were all right. The one which actually was nicer was from GPT-4o, where you can actually make cells, and then after that you can actually simulate the game of life. So this was actually amazing, I won't lie. So all right, so the test went well, and I can say that both models actually performed pretty well. And what I'll say is that the tests were fine. Okay, the website one was amazing. Snake was amazing. On Snake, I actually like the one from Qwen more, and for the game of life, I like the one from GPT-4o. Let me know also some other tests you would like also to see, and if you'd like, you can actually run the model on Hugging Face. And there are more models out there that are also reviewed, but this was really, really amazing. And I can say they were neck and neck. I can say that they are nearly on the same level with what I've seen, but there's obviously other things which must also be seen, since the model was only released like at least I think it's a week, if not a week and a half before. So this was something amazing, and I'm liking the model, and I want to see nice implementations and integrations with it, and hopefully I can also use it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like and let me know what you want to see next, and see you on the next video, guys.